Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I have a prophetic word from the Lord to share, and let me jump right into that message. As we were in prayer, the Lord showed us a vision of a two path. First path was very dark and the second was very bright. In the dark, there were so many people walking and running to and fro, bumping from each other. Seems like they were in the world of post haste. And on the other hand, which is very bright, there were just very few people and they were walking very smoothly. Brothers and sisters, the Lord is telling us to be very careful on deciding which way to go and to use His word as the lamp, because if we always bring with us this lamp, then wherever we go, we shall never get lost. And this light will lead us to walk on the narrow path which leads us to eternal life and salvation. Thank you, and God bless you.